thick foam. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at this. Today we're gonna bring a Maestri house. Now this is a frother, so this is perfect for those that are coffee people or just want to enjoy your homemade brew. This is perfect for you guys with your entire breakfast or your kitchenware. This is a must. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get. So first of all, they give you this magnetic. It's a magnetized stainless steel frother that it's going to be spinning around for your actual coffee. If you guys can see, there's different temperatures in here. There's a temperature control, and it gives you different modes. All right, how heavy do you want it, or how spongy do you want it? So it goes in through 1 through 3. Power button, and then here if you want to heat up the actual milk or just keep it as it is. But today we're going to do ourselves a nice coffee. We're going to put it to use. Off the box, I will recommend you rinse it first. Anything out of boxes, always rinse it first. And enjoy your breakfast in the morning, or get your bagel, your coffee and your bagel. Get your favorite coffee. Add any kind of milk you want. This will work with it. In fact, we're going to do our milk mix where our actually vanilla milk. So we're going to put a little bit of vanilla milk with regular milk and make it nice and tasty for our coffee. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, let's take a look at the whisker set. All right, the whisk set is simple. All right, you got 3 modes. You got one, you could use this by itself, and this will be for the flat white latte. All right, if you add the secondary, I'm gonna put the secondary right now so you guys can see it. Adding the secondary in there, this will make it white flat latte or cappuccino. You can do that for that, or just add all of them if you want, like I am gonna do that. Add them all and just whisk them all. It does even foamier, so putting them all together. But you have different choices. If you don't want too much foam, you just want the taste or anything like that, you could replace them. You can remove these. These are interchangeable. Like I said, simple. You don't have to put all of them together, but I did because I love a lot of foaminess on the actual coffee. All right, so just to let you guys know, it tells you what levels are you going to put in there, and we got a max right there of milk. All right, right now we're going to go to the center one. All right, that's pretty much, or minimum. If you want the minimum, it's all the way to the bottom. Like I said, to make sure you rinse it out, I just did right now. I like the lip on the actual pot itself, and the holder. Look at the holder, how beautiful it is. You know, it's just glamour. So if you own a store or coffee shop or anything like that, this is a perfect equipment for you. I mean, you could have your clients sit in the one room or wait for you while you have this ready automatically by filling up your milk and having it push the buttons. It's a really simple method. So we're gonna put it to use right now. We're gonna add some milk right now, and let's put it to use. All right, another thing that they give you this sponge to actually rinse it out, clean it out. Very simple. It's included with it too, right? So right now we're not going to use it until we actually start using it. So we're going to wash this too a little bit. I always rinse everything out of the box. So let's go ahead and start. So what I like to do on the actual system, I like to put a little bit more of the vanilla one. You know, this is my creamer that I like to use. I put a little bit creamer, just a little bit, not too much. So 1, 2, and 3. And then I like to put milk to mix it up. Not too much sugar. We just put in a little bit more milk. And we're going to go to the minimum. And we just did the minimum right now. We got the milk on it. Let's set this up in there. Put it in there. It's in there. Simple. We'll put it in here. Now, the system, how do you want to do it? So you could test it out how you want. Make sure you put the lid before you even start it. So let's put the lid. We're going to do temperature first. Do you want Fahrenheit? You could lower it down if you 120, 140, 160. And it goes back to normal. And then we're going to do a 120. And then which type of coffee do you want? Do you want lots of foam, little bit foam, medium foam? I like some foam, so we're gonna start there. So we're gonna choose that one, of course, and this is the button here. And then to start it, just hit the power button and let it do its magic. So it's gonna go to 120. It's gonna heat up not just the actual milk, but the actual liquids that are in there. So we're gonna go in there, take a look at it. I can smell the vanilla coming out of this system. All right, so we just got a beeping sound right now when it's done. So let's go ahead and remove the lid. Look at the foam. Let's see how much foam. Oh man, look at that beautiful foam. Let's pour some in there. We could remove the center piece if you want. Remove this. It's up to you, but be careful. Look at that foamy. Oh man. We removed it, so we won't spill it just in case. We take it out, and then we just pour it on. Let's see how beautiful it looks. Liquid gold. Look at that beautiful. Oh, let's get a spoon and see how thick. All right, let's grab a spoon, see how thick it is. All right, look at that. Look at that. Nice, thick foam. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at this foam. I love foam. I love, this is the best part of the coffee, the foam. And I always wonder how they do it so professional, but this is how they do it. They have a machine similar to this. Look at that beautiful foam. Oh man, makes your coffee 100 times better just by doing this. Look at that. I'm gonna mix it up with my coffee. And look at, I'm mixing up the coffee and you still can't see the bottom. Look at the thickness of the actual foam. Look at that. Look at how thick it is. Beautiful. All right, let's take a test. Beautiful foam it is. So, oh man, this is actually really, really good. I didn't taste the bottom of it at all. It's just the foam on the top because I love thick foam on it. It's a great item, great product to use. So enjoy your coffee, and I hope you guys like the video.